I think that the quality of our food, it comes from the ingredients that go into it and then the associates that are making it. We get all of our raw products from meat department or seafood department, air-chilled chicken, prime beef, salmon that's sustainably sourced.
One of the things we created was this dinner deal concept. You can get one entree and then your pick of sides. It's nice for, a family. Get everybody a customizable dinner that's affordable, made fresh and made by us and made by ingredients that you're proud to serve your family.
We do a lot of the regular cooking methods, so sauteing, braising, pan frying, baking, and we are all making that from scratch family product that you can put on your table.
It takes time, it takes talent in the kitchen. Hopefully it entices you to want to try it, but it's the taste that's going to be hard to find anyplace else.